to do this. Wow!
Wow!
Over to Stycie and Seth.
Hey, Stycie.
Yes? Oh no, I lost my page.
Lucky for you, I keep an Easter-themed bookmark in my pocket.
Whoa, this is so cute.
Yeah, and today I'm going to show you how to make one.
Okay, so what do we need?
We need paper,
Glue
white paper strips.
and scissors. Let's get started.
So the first thing we're going to do is take our paper,
Mm-hmm.
and this is very important. These folds, you're going to have to pay attention because these folds are very hard to do. Not very hard, but you just need to pay attention.
Uh-huh.
So fold your paper like this.
Then you open it up, right?
Yeah.
And you fold this other side.
Fold it up like this. Then you take the corner, fold that up. Do the
And
same for the other side.
yeah. Then you
Then
open
you
them up
unfold them and fold them.
this side.
Yeah, you fold them down. Now you're gonna take the fold here and fold it inside.
Yeah, inside the big one. And it will look something like this.
Yeah. So now once you have this, now we're going to add the decorations like the eyes and the ears and the teeth to make the bunny.
So you draw eyes
Yeah,
first.
yeah.
You have to draw eyes with your pencil.
Draw.
You should probably draw big eyes. Mine are
Yeah,
really small.
bigger eyes. Mine are way small.
Yeah,
Look
mine
like
too.
ants. So now what we're gonna do is take our glue and we're going to put glue on the back of the eye.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to glue the eye to my bookmark.
Now we're going to cut out the ears. Okay, here you go.
So what you want to do is fold it in half.
Fold it like how? Like
yeah, like the long way.
this? Okay.
So you should have something like this. Then take your scissors and cut out like a shape of bunny ears. As you can see, we have two bunny ears now. Now we can take some colors or something and draw so that it kind of looks like ears. You can put pink or any color. Now once we have our glue on our bunny ears, going to glue it to the back of the bookmark.
Here.
Mine kind of looks like a fox.
Now we're going to cut the teeth. So you just cut the paper.
Yeah, the white paper strip. Yeah, we're going to stick it to the top-ish up there. Wow, ours are very different.
Yeah.
Mine kind of looks like a fox. Okay, guys, now that our bookmarks are finished, we're going to show you how it looks on a book. I'm going to grab a book. And I'm going to go say I was reading this page. Then I can just slide it in there.
There.
And we got a little friend at the corner to remind us what page we were on.
Yes. And you can also give this to your family or friends because it's such a nice gift and it's so cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Seth. Now I'll never forget my page.
Yeah, you shouldn't.
I hope you enjoyed making this craft with us and I hope you try it at home.
Yeah, we really liked doing this craft because I read a lot of books and so does Stycie. And sometimes I lose my pages and then I have to read like all the way through the book over and over until I find the page. And it's an inconvenience. So now that we have this very nice little buddy, even I can wear it on my lab coat. But yeah.
Make sure to try this at home and tag us at #SemaSLab. This is Seth.
This is Stycie.
And this is Sema's Lab. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Stay connected with me on the Super Sema YouTube channel.